Hi, hi. Hope you're having a great day. So I went out for exercise, and it was great. I enjoyed it. Yeah, I did this one. It was so fun, and then I went to this one. Twisting, rolling. Twisting. This exercise, they're really good for our body. Every time I go out to exercise, I always feel it. It's very nice for our body. Very, very nice, I tell you. So I did a lot of them. I was interchanging. I'll use this one, use that one, use that one, use that one. And I was doing it in a calm nature area. It was so nice. You could hear the sound of breeze, wind. It was windy. This is the best part of it. I love this one. I love this one. I enjoyed it. I really enjoyed it. So, I was just having fun doing my exercise, having fun. And then I went out to do the chill walking also. Chill walking was just so nice. Did it front and back. Yeah. It was fun, all true. It was fun, and my body could feel it also. Exercise is good for the body. Very nice. And I went over this one.
It's my first time doing this one, but it's really working out. Very good for the dance.
Particular one. But later I started to enjoy it. I really enjoyed it. At the end, I enjoyed it. Yeah. Went over to this again. It's nice. I enjoyed all the exercises I did. I enjoyed it. All of them. It was like me having fun playing and also exercising my body. It was interesting, fun, a great time. So do yourself good also. Once in a while, you can go out and give your body a nice exercise. It's good for the body, good for the mind. It helps your body, especially even if it's just for fitness. Go out. Everything must not be about burning fat. Yeah, it should also be for fitness. Fitness mostly. That's the reason I exercise for fitness.
It up my towels.
Yeah, because it's very good for us. Good for our body. Yeah, so to the next one, I remain Choma Gloria Chonoko. If you haven't watched my videos, do want to check them out. Yes, so to the next one, have a great day. Please like, share, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Yeah, I have a lot of interesting videos. You should do well to check them out. You're going to love them. Okay, till next time. Bye bye.